What hurts now will bless you later. Listen closely. This pain feels heavy. This season feels unfair. This moment feels exhausting. But what hurts now will bless you later. 1. God uses pain as preparation. He never wastes suffering. What hurts today is shaping the strength you'll need tomorrow. This isn't punishment, it's preparation. Gives purpose at work. 2. The enemy wanted this to stop you. He whispered doubt. He magnified fear. He told you to quit. But you kept going. Gist, still standing. 3. God is working even when you can't see. IT growth happens in silence. Roots form underground before fruit appears. Just because you don't see change doesn't mean God isn't moving. Gives hidden progress. 4. This season is changing. Your faith is deeper. Your endurance is stronger. Your heart is wiser. You didn't break, you grew. Becoming ready. 5. One day this will make sense. What hurt you will help you. What tested you will strengthen you. Your future will explain your past. Gives blessing ahead. Hear this clearly. What hurts now will bless you later. Stay fightful. Stay patient. God is turning your pain into purpose.